Hello, I'm Yokbun. Today I'd like to share with you on how to create dynamic text in Excel. Okay, to begin, this is the table I use and this is the lookup using this one. Let's say at least I got female age 33. Okay, so when we want to type a text, right, usually we type Alice is a lady aged 33 years old. Okay, so if let's say I change this to Bill, so I got M46, but this one, that text, the manual text is not changed because it is not related to this cell. Okay, so that means if let's say we want to create dynamic text, we can make it channel accordingly. So in order to create this dynamic text, we need to understand what is inside the manual text. Okay, let's say for this one. Okay, so we have Alice text, Alice, which is related to cell what's it, C13, C13. Okay, okay, so now we have is a text is a. Okay, just like that. Okay. Now we have text lady related to cell, so this one is D13. Okay, then we have age, text age. Okay, then we have text 33 related to cell E13. Okay, lastly we have text years, O and dot. Okay, so that means we can break down to 6 portions. Okay, okay, so to do the dynamic text, we need to use the ampersand sign. Ampersand sign. This one is ampersand sign. Okay. Okay. So secondly, we need to join text. We need to use double quotation mark for text. Okay, except the cell, let's say related to cell 1, we no need to use double quotation mark. It's for plain text only we use the double quotation mark. Okay, so using this rule of thumb, we create this dynamic text. Okay, so equal. Okay, so the Alice related to cell C, so that means equal C13. Enter. Okay, so now you see Bill. Okay, I change back to Alice. Okay, so Alice. Okay, so now we want to join. Okay, join the, so open double quotation mark is a, then put space, close double quotation mark. So Alice is a. Okay, then we use a ampersand sign again, join lady related to D13, so D13 here. Okay, okay, but D13 is in terms of sex, so that means we know F is a lady, M is a man, so we need to use a if statement.
Okay, so and that means in between the ampersand sign there's the any text or any formula function they stand alone. Okay, so that's why we can use a if. Okay, if this one equal to f, okay, then return lady, else return man. Okay, that means if D13 is to F, return lady or return man. So you see, Alice is a lady, so the H. Okay, so now we want the join again ampersand sign, double quotation mark, H, and space, close quotation mark. Okay, that means Alice is a lady, H. So we join again ampersand sign 33. Okay. Okay, so that means the last one is double quotation mark, no, ampersand sign, double quotation mark, yes, oh, full stop. Okay, Alice is a lady, age 33 years old. So if let's say we change this to Bill, so you see Bill is a man, age 46 years old. Then we change this to Kate. Kate is a lady, age 28 years old. Okay, so this one is how we do to create dynamic text. Okay, so for second part, okay, let's say for second part we have a text table here. That means we want to select, let's say I select here, I can select, so let's say put it here, January. Okay, so the manual text you type the sales for the month of January 2019 is this one. So okay, so if let's say I change to, so this thing didn't happen. Okay, so we need dynamic text. So to create dynamic text we also need to break down this portion. Okay, so how to break down? Okay, the first part is text, the sales for the month of. Okay, so January is related to this. Okay, text January 2019 related to cell H4. Okay, related to cells A4, H4. Okay, now we go to here, text is. Okay, then the text $sign 14, 204.54 related to the table. Then text okay. Okay, so now we can break down to 5 portion. Okay, so similarly to create dynamic text we equal the sales for the month of. Okay, we forgot the double quotation mark, so okay, double the quotation mark. Okay, so we have the sales for the month of, so January we have to use the ampersand sign to join this. Okay, so but for the date
they give you the 4th date, so you need to use text to format the date, text function. Okay, then how, here, then comma, open double quotation mark. So you want in January, the long January, long year, so that means long January space long year, close. Okay, so you see the sales for the month of January is, so and text is, okay, person sign, double quotation mark is. Okay, now we want this one, so this value comes from this table. Okay, so we need to use the VLOOKUP, so join it, so VLOOKUP. Okay, lookup for this, okay, comma, in this, comma, then is 1 2, column 2, then exact look. Okay, enter. So now we have this. Okay, but this one we need to do the formatting to what we want here, with the comma, with the dollar sign. Okay, so we have to use text again, text, open. So this is the value, comma, then open the double quotation mark for format, dollar sign first. Okay, we type dollar sign, so it's 0. Since we want the comma, we comma, then 0, 2 decimal, dot, 2 decimal. Okay, close the double quotation mark, then close the bracket. See, we have all things. So lastly, we need the this. Okay, double the quotation mark, slash equal, double quotation mark, enter. Okay, so now the sales for the month of January is, so it's the same. Okay, so let's say I change here to April. So you see the sales for the month of April is this, so April this. So you change to October, so October is this. Okay, so this is how we do dynamic text. Okay, if you like my channel, thank you.